Welcome to Pharma Digital, and here in this video I am gonna discuss about the another some important question or important MCQs that are helpful for your preparation of any government pharmacy exams. So let's start the topic. So here the first question is, the jelly like substance present inside the cell is known as option A cytoplasm, option B ectoplasm, option C nucleoplasm, and option D none of the above. So here the right answer is option A cytoplasm. And like ectoplasm, what is ectoplasm? Ectoplasm means it is also known as exoplasm, and it is the outer part of a cell of a cytoplasm, that is known as ectoplasm. Like that endoplasm, endoplasm means it is the innermost layer of a cytoplasm, that is known as endoplasm. So like that, what is nucleoplasm? Nucleoplasm means the substance of a substance that are present inside a cell nucleus, especially except the nucleolus. We know there is a nuclear membrane. Here the nucleus is present or nucleolus is present. So here the materials that are present inside of a cell nucleus except the nucleolus, that is the nucleoplasm. Next, second question, the study of the cell, its type, structure, function, and its organelle is known as option A biology, option B cell biology, option C microbiology, and option D biotechnology. So here the right answer is option B cell biology. Okay, let's look at the another options that are present in this question. Biology. Biology means it is the study of living beings, that is whether it may be plants or animals. When we study about the animals, that is known as zoology, and when we study about the plants, that is known as botany, and combinedly it is known as biology. And what is microbiology? Microbiology means it is a study about the microscopical organism like bacteria, virus, and that is known as microbiology. And what is biotechnology? Biotechnology is the study of utilization of organism or part of this organism to develop or create a different product, that is known as biotechnology. Like during this corona pandemic period, vaccine is prepared by using this biotechnology method, and preparing of bread by using yeast, that is also a this by adopting this biotechnology method. Next question, who discovered the nucleus in 1831? Option E Robert Hooke, option B Robert Brown, option C Rudolf Virchow, and option D T. Squam. So here the right answer is option B Robert Brown, who invented the nucleus in 1831. And as you know, Robert Hooke, it is also considered as a father of cell, and who invented the cell is Robert Hooke in year 1665. Okay, next come to the next questions. The element that present inside a protoplasm, option A carbon and hydrogen, option B carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen, option C carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, and option D helium, carbon, and oxygen. So here the right answer is option B carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. So what is protoplasm? Protoplasm means when cytoplasm plus nucleus is combined, that is togetherly known as protoplasm. Next question, which of the following cell organelles is absent in animal cell but present in plant cell? Which organelles absent in animal cell but present in plant cell? Option A cell wall, option B cytoplasm, option C vacuoles, and option D mitochondria. So here the right answer is option A cell wall, that are present in plant cell but absent in case of animal cell. Cell wall is mainly composed of option A lipid, option B starch, option C cellulose, and option D protein. So here the right answer is option C cellulose. Okay, next question. Which of the following cell organelles is also called as digestive bags? Option A, nucleus. Option B, lysosome. Option C, chloroplast. And option D, mitochondria. So here the right answer is option B, lysosome. As you know, it contains an enzyme that is known as hydrolytic enzyme. That is known as hydrolytic enzyme. It breaks down the large food particles into small food particles, and that helps in digestion process. That's why it is also called as digestive bags. Otherwise, it is also known as scavengers of cell and suicidal bag of the cell, because when the cell is damaged, it makes the cell to die itself by releasing hydrolytic enzyme. Means this lysosome is otherwise known as digestive bag, scavenger of the cells, and suicidal bag of the cell also. Which of the following cell organelles that doesn't contain DNA? Option A, lysosome. Option B, nucleus. Option C, chloroplast. And option D, mitochondria. So here the right answer is option A, lysosome. Which of the following cell organelles is called as powerhouse of the cell? Option A, nucleus. Option B, lysosomes. Option C, chloroplast. And option D, mitochondria. So here the right answer is option D, mitochondria. As you know, this mitochondria able to convert the food particles into ATP, that is the energy source that are used by the cell. That's why it is known as powerhouse of the cell. And next question, mitochondria was discovered by option A, G.E. Pallade, option B, Altman, option C, Schlumberger, option D, Robert Brown. So here the right answer is option B, Altman. In which year? In year 1890. Cell was discovered by the Robert Hooke in 1665, and here the Altman discovered the mitochondria in year 1890. Which of the following cell organelles contain RNA? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, plastid. Option C, lysosome. And option D, ribosome. So here the right answer is option D, ribosome. Next, which of the following cell organelles is present in animal cell but doesn't present in plant cell? So here option A is nucleus, option B is centrosomes, option C is Golgi complex, and option D is plastid. So here the right answer is option B, centrosomes. Which of the following cell organelles that are present in plant cell but absent in case of animal cell? Option A, nucleus. Option B, vacuole. Option C, chloroplast and plastid. And option D, cytoplast. So here the right answer is chloroplast and plastids. These are present in these are present in plant cell, but it absent in case of animal cell. Next, which of the following is single membrane bound cell organelles? Option A, vacuole. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum. And option D, all of the above. So here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Means vacuoles, Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulums, all of the followings are single membrane bound cell organelles. Next, which of the following is not a double membrane bound cell organelles? Option A, chloroplast. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum. And option D, all of the above. So here the right answer is endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum is a single membrane bound cell organelles. Next questions, which of the following statements is true about the Golgi bodies? Option A, it is a sac-like organelles. Option B, it is located near the nucleus. Option C, it helps in carrying the particles throughout the cell. And option D, all of the above. So here the right answer is all of the above. Which of the following statements is true about the nucleus? Option A, nucleus is not present in prokaryotes. The chief components of the nucleus are chromatin and nucleolus. And option C, it contains DNA and other genetic materials. And option D is all of the above. So here the right answer is all of the above, means the above all the statements regarding nucleus is correct. Next, which of the following cell organelles are sites of protein synthesis, means which cell organelles helps in protein synthesis. So here first option is ribosome, second option is lysosome, option C is mitochondria, and option D is Golgi complex. So here the right answer is option A, ribosome. And next question, what is the functional unit of the chromosome? Option A, RNA, option B, DNA, option C, gene, and option D, none of the above. So here the right answer is option C, gene. So last question of the today's video is the total number of chromosomes that are present in human being. Option A 23, option B 53, option C 46, and option D 26. So here the right answer is option C 46, and in case of pair it is 23 pairs. If the options have in pair consideration, then it is considered as 23 pair, and in number it is 46. And one thing, when these MCQs pattern question have options like all of the above, so you have choose it, because it most of the questions right answer is belongs to this all of the above option. So here I think all of you answer the topic different important question that are arises from the topic cell, and hope you enjoy it, and please share and subscribe us, and press the bell icon for getting the further updates. Have a good day. Thank you.